went through the whole lengthy process that Sangha and Manoj and everyone took, made it to the final conclusion that okay, I was going to be captain. And yeah, I think it's just a surreal feeling to see my journey in 2018 when I was 17 years old to now when I'm 24 and leading the side. I'm extremely proud of it.
Sangha, what's your? Can you take us through this whole process of how Rian was selected and what you looked into it? What are the characteristics you looked into?
The homegrown part, whether Rian was from India or which part of India, there was nothing in our conversations about that. It was about trying to find the best person to captain and lead the Rajasthan Royals. And I met Rian when he was a teenager, and Rian is absolutely right. He's seen a lot, gone through a lot, and the most striking thing for me was how reflective and how mature he has become. So Rian Parag, the cricketer, I have always massively admired who he was. Even through the downs, all I could see was where he could be, and that's right at the top. But more importantly, I really came to admire the person that Rian Parag is. And when we wanted to select a captain, once Sanju had decided to leave, it was really important that we explored all options. So we had a short list of candidates that we had a very strict interview process for. And we went through, and Rian knows it wasn't easy. The questions were hard. It was not just one conversation, but two, then three. And then at the end of the day, Manoj and I sat down, went through all of those conversations with each one. And it became very apparent that the right choice, the right person to lead Rajasthan Royals was Rian. And we were extremely happy to make that decision. And the most important thing is that the whole franchise, everyone involved in that process, the team, the coaches, everyone understands and backs 100% that the decision was made because Rian Parag is absolutely the right candidate to captain and lead the Rajasthan Royals.
We'll open the floor.
Like collaboration with the local academies.
Very proud to be here in Rajasthan. It's a city and a community that is very dear to us. And when we do our trials, when we have opportunities to impact the cricket community here, whether it's the grassroots, whether it's at a higher level, we always try and see how we can impact that. I'm sorry I'm unable to give you exact specific details, but there have been ongoing conversations as to how we can do that. I mean, we had Cricket Ka Ticket, where we used to run competitions for cricketers from all over to come and get an opportunity to see if they can train with the Rajasthan Royals, be with us for a season, have opportunities. And as we evolve, we'll have those conversations and try and put in a plan in place, because the Royals, as you know, over the years, have not only produced good cricketers for the Royals, but they also have produced some exceptional cricketers for India as well. So that's something that we always have in the back of our mind, and we might be able to give you specifics later on as we go through.
They haven't seen any kind of efforts in
internal conversations. I won't be able to share the exact details of those conversations as yet, but when we do come to a conclusion as to how we are going to do that, it's nice to want to do it, but the most important thing is how do we do it and how do we do it well. It's no use just doing it for the sake of it. We have to be able to do it well. So when we do have a proper plan in place,